You can do, as I said, any of the projects.
We have like broccolini, cilantro, radishes, chives, like a bunch of different stuff.
Okay, why did this one grow and that one didn't? Why would that be? Right? That's just science.
Laura, which one does it?
My goal is to make sure that students see the classroom as an extension of their world. So I want them to think about things that they're learning about and how they can actually apply it in the real world. So hydroponics is a great example of that because hydroponics can be grown anywhere. We'll pinch off pieces of things that are here, even the flowers are edible. So these are parsley. And we will let them try it so that they can really see the fruit of their labor.
Tastes a little buttery.
It's kind of like a radish.
These right here I planted last Friday and today is Wednesday.
When I planted it, it was like so small. And then like a week later, it turned so big.
That's how fast. And that's what I mean about the sustainability of microgreens and long-term ability to regenerate, seedlings.
They taste like a salad because you can chop these up and put them in a salad. And they're totally edible.
As a group can create a hydroponic station in a unique urban setting, who will benefit from it?
Layla, look how big yours is.
You don't necessarily have to use dirt. It saves space, and it's just a good idea.
Do you choose? Anyone? Anyone. Nice big juicy one. Dr. McDade also tried.
Radish.
It's a radish! Because if students don't see a real world connection to what they're learning, they don't see the value in it. Then it just becomes information in and information out.
What was the best tasting one?
Mine.
Your
Let me try.